Aloha, it's Jessica Baker with Compass Hawaii here from my newest listing at 334 Napoko Place in Upper Kula. I want to give you a look around at this absolutely magical property inside and out. But first, here are the specs. First, the main house is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a little over 2,000 square feet. Plus, there's a permitted workshop and ag office, and all of this is on 1.4 beautifully manicured acres with all kinds of interesting tropical plants. Let's take a look around. Napoko Place is the quintessential quiet country road, and the property is gated and fenced. As you come up to the main house, one of my favorite parts is that it's all single level, moving from the garage to the house, and there's a beautiful orchard right behind the driveway. There's a skylight in the front entry as you come in, and the first thing you see are these beautiful vaulted ceilings with exposed beams. The living area and dining area, they have a working wood-burning fireplace, which is just perfect for those chillier Kula evenings. And did I mention the views? Gorgeous bi-coastal views of Maui's north and south shore. The kitchen is open to the living area as well. There's a low cloud bank that rolled into Kula today, but here we can check out the views and also part of the wraparound deck, 1,000 square feet of open deck space to enjoy the ocean views and the views of the yard from every single angle. Here's another look at those beautiful beam ceilings, built-in bookshelves, and the bricked-in fireplace with a toasty hearth. In the kitchen, here is an incredible handmade Italian stove and a local monkeypod butcher block made by a local craftsman. Can you imagine cooking in here every day? It's nice and open, and then there's Mediterranean tile inlaid in the solid wood floor. Now, if there was ever an awesome location to do dishes, this is it. And that view is beautifully framed by protea flowers and rosemary that are just some of the magnificent plants growing all over the property. Also off of the entry is an additional living room space, which is currently configured as a homeschool room, complete with a chalkboard wall. The homeschool garden is right out front of the house. There's a separate family room, which also opens back up to the kitchen space. And then off of this area is the entrance to bring in the groceries, a laundry room, and a powder room. The bedrooms are all located in a separate wing of the house with great hall closet space and huge bedrooms. The bedrooms have these beautiful built-in window seats, which I absolutely love, and separate wall heaters. There's 9-foot ceilings in each of the bedrooms, and then terrific mountain views. There's a hall bath here as well that services both of the bedrooms. Then we're coming into the primary suite. Another really large room, same 9-foot ceilings, and outstanding ocean views again with a semi-private terrace. I just can't get enough. Here we are back on the deck space again. Plenty of room for dining, an outdoor living area, hammocks, and then you're overlooking the chicken coop and front yard with lots of the florals, picnic tables, and one of my favorite parts is this old-fashioned clothesline. Here's a quick glimpse at the orchard with apples, peaches, pears, and plums, and an incredible producing avocado tree. And this is all located right behind the garage. Now here we are on the lanai space outside of the garage workshop. It's a 2-car garage, and then inside we have about 400 square feet of open area with its own private bath and permitted bar sink. I love the vaulted ceilings in here too. Now there's also another one of these permitted ag office spaces underneath the house. Now here's one of my favorite parts, the feathered friends, the chickens and ducks who can stay with the property or we can find them happy homes elsewhere. Their location is conveniently over the leach field for the septic tank in the front yard. And then here's another fantastic flower that's growing on the property, and these sunsets, absolutely unreal. How lucky are we to have these kind of views on Maui up at 3,700 feet? So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Jessica Baker with Compass Hawaii from this open house tour of 334 Napoko Place in Kula, Maui. For more information, give me a ring at 808-250-0840. I look forward to hearing from you. Aloha from Maui.